Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Chevy Volt battery health. The most accurate way involves specialized diagnostic tools, which we'll discuss. You'll learn about the critical indicators of battery performance, including individual cell voltages and the overall capacity of the battery pack. Understanding these factors is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's efficiency and preventing unexpected problems. We'll also cover common signs that suggest your battery might be degrading, such as a noticeable decrease in electric driving range or the appearance of dashboard warning lights. Several factors contribute to the natural degradation of your Chevy Volt's battery over time. Generally, electric vehicle batteries lose about 1 to 2% of their capacity each year. Extreme temperatures, both very hot and very cold, can significantly accelerate this process, so parking in shaded areas or a garage helps. Additionally, while convenient, frequent use of DC fast charging can also contribute to a slightly faster rate of battery degradation compared to standard AC charging at home. Understanding these influences helps you mitigate their impact. To effectively check your Volt's battery health, an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner with electric vehicle diagnostic capabilities is highly recommended. These tools can read error codes and provide live data streams. Pay close attention to individual cell voltages. A difference greater than 0.25 volts between cells can signal degradation. Another practical method is to compare your current electric driving range on a full charge to the vehicle's original EPA-rated range. A significant reduction, such as over 30%, warrants further investigation by a certified technician. To maximize your Chevy Volt battery's lifespan, adopt smart charging habits. For daily use, aim to charge to about 80%, reserving full charges for longer trips. This practice helps maintain battery health and optimizes regenerative braking. Also, keeping your Volt plugged in when not driving allows the battery management system to regulate temperature, protecting it from extreme heat or cold. Regular maintenance, including software updates and professional inspections, also plays a vital role. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the link in the description for some great deals, including Little Trees Black Ice, as well as other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.